How to open audio files in Ocenaudio. First of all, open the Ocenaudio application on your computer. Make sure it's properly installed and updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open. This will bring up your File Explorer window where you can browse your computer for the audio file you want to work with. Now, navigate to the location where your audio file is stored. Ocenaudio supports a variety of formats like MP3, WAV, OGG, FLAC, and more. So you can select most common types of audio files without any problem. After selecting the audio file, click Open, and within a second, the waveform of your audio will appear on the main screen of Ocenaudio. You can now start editing, listening, or analyzing the sound as needed. Alternatively, you can also drag and drop the audio file directly into the Ocenaudio window. It's a faster method and works the same way without going through the menu. If you want to open multiple files at once, hold down Ctrl while selecting them, and they'll all load into separate tabs inside the program. And that's it. Now you know how to open audio files in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.